Hello students of Standard 9, you are going to learn an important natural region, that is the equatorial region, which is given in chapter 19. Today I am going to explain about the equatorial region of the world, and it lies between the latitudes 10 degree north and 10 degree south latitudes. It is found in the parts of Asia, the southeastern parts of Asia, mainly the group of islands which is known as Indonesia. So Java, Sumatra, parts of Malaysia, Borneo, Papua New Guinea, all these islands come under this natural region. In Africa, this is found in Congo Basin and also the Guinea coast. In South America, it is found in mainly the Amazon River Basin and also the lowlands of Colombia. So these are the important areas which lie in the equatorial region. If you see the climatic condition, this is the area which receives vertical rays of the sun throughout the year, and therefore there is always high temperature, but that is followed by heavy rainfall. So that controls the temperature, and that is why the annual range of temperature also is very less, about 3 degrees Celsius. Throughout the year, the climatic condition is similar type. No particular seasons are found in this region. If you see the average temperature or mean annual temperature, that is about 27 degrees Celsius, and rainfall occurs here very heavily. Rainfall ranges between 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter, and this is the area. In these regions, convectional rainfall occurs throughout the year. It occurs due to the convectional current of air. In the morning there is sunny day. By afternoon clouds are formed, and by evening about 4 o'clock there is very heavy rainfall accompanied by thunder and lightning, and it occurs by 4 o'clock, so it is also known as 4 o'clock rain. So this is the reason, because of very heavy rainfall and high temperature, also there is high humidity. More than 80% humidity is found in this region, and therefore this is the wettest zone in the world. Because of very heavy rainfall and because of very high temperature and high humidity, the natural vegetation found here are very dense. There is dense undergrowth, and also there is various types of trees and species, climbers and creepers, varieties of bushes, and all different types of trees are found in this region. And this zone is famous and known for its densest forest, and therefore this equatorial region is also known as the rainforest. In the whole world, this is the area where thick forested areas are found, and trees are very tall. They are found in different sizes, and those trees grow very tall and tall because the shady trees, the rays of the sun also cannot penetrate and reach the surface of the earth. So the whole area is marshy, and because of very heavy rainfall, there is very dense undergrowth. This is the area where hardwood trees are found. Lot of trees are found which are very important trees like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, hardwood. So, and many expensive trees which can be utilized for furniture is found in this region. But the equatorial region is not very good, and which trees are found here, though they are very important, very good, and they are durable, very good for timber, they are not being utilized because of very densest forested areas and because of lack of transport facilities. This is also known for very thick forested area, and therefore there is very dense forested and shady trees are found here. And because of these trees, these rainforests are also known as the lungs of the world. Why do you know? Because these trees absorb too much poisonous gases, and that is carbon dioxide. And also they provide oxygen. A lot of oxygen they are providing, and therefore these forests are known as the lungs of the world. If you see here, the people living in this region, they are nomadic because of very dense forested areas in Indonesia or Congo Basin or Amazon Basin. There is no permanent settlement. People, those are living in this area, in the outskirts of the densest forested area, they are still nomadic. In some of the areas, they are developing now, and they are making their permanent huts, and they have started their agricultural work. Only people are there on this world, they can adapt in any condition. So those people are living here. They get their food from the densest forested areas, fruit or some of the roots of the plants. Still, they are getting from the forest, and that is their food. Because of very densest forested area, varieties of wildlife is also found there. Varieties of animals, very large anaconda and very small insects, all are found there. There are many organisms which are also dangerous, and that is why this area is not well developed. And because of lack of transportation, there is less developed areas in this equatorial region. So, if you see the equatorial region, known for its densest forested areas, known for its very heaviest amount of rainfall throughout the year, and this is also important because it is providing lot of oxygen for the world. So, do remember, this is about the equatorial region. Thank you.